Hello everyone. 2018 question 6 ordinary level. So I hope you're keeping well, folks. We'll kick off. So just before I start, just to say about these kind of circles in contact questions, if you've any two circles here, I don't know what the radiuses of the radii of them are. I just drew them a moment ago. But if we take this as radius 1 and radius 2 there, the distance between the two centers is R1 plus R2. Okay, and sometimes this might be only a partial circle, and so might this, but the distance is still the same thing. It's the distance between the two is got by adding R1 and R2. Okay, so we'll kick off there. I just drew in a small bit of the base there. Okay, and this is a quarter circle, radius 20. It's that guy drawn in there. And there's a line going up here now, so we'll put down as many measurements as we can. Okay, so there's a circle going to be drawn here. It's 25 mil off the ground, and on the left hand side you can see there's going to be an arc here, radius 25, and when that's fully curved up, that's how I know it's 25 off the ground. Okay, so we'll mark in that there, that 25. We'll mark in the 50 as well, which will be the full height of it when it's drawn. And there's going to be a circle with inside that, and it's going to be radius 15. Okay, so I'm getting that information out of the question by following the construction lines. Okay, so first thing I'll do there is I'll go and I'll draw that radius 15 circle in the center maybe. Now, when you've that drawn there, that center there, we can see in the question here that it's going to be the bigger circle, the radius 25 one, which I'll actually just do I'll actually go and I'll lightly draw that in first. That's going to be in contact with another circle, radius 25. So I'll just do this a light construction one for the moment. Okay. Now, this circle here is going to be in contact with a circle down here. Okay, also radius 25. It gets us this kind of arc going here. Now, so that's what I was on about. Is the radius of the first one, the radius of the second one. In this case, to the same. So if I set my compass to radius 50, which is 25 plus 25, put it in the center of that circle there, and by swing an arc, that'll find me the place down here now to put my radius 25 circle. So I'm just going to reset my compass to 25. Okay, and I'm just doing quarter circle in here. And there's going to be a line running out from here now. 15 and 15. Okay, so it's going to come up to hit that guy there. And it ends at the same end point down here. Okay, so we can do that in heavy there. And then we can do this line in heavy. And we can do this line in heavy as far as here. Now, we're not finished just yet, okay? There's actually going to be a tangent onto this, okay? Now later on, there's an arc going to be drawn up here, radius 50, and if you follow that arc, actually I'll draw in that arc first, so you'll see where I'm getting the measurement from. So from the center here, I'll come back now, we'll finish this out heavier later. From the center there, we're going to go up 55 millimeters, as told in the question. And this is going to be an important point here now. We are going to be swinging a radius 50 arc from there. And we're going to do another arc radius 60. It's a light construction one that's going to be in the middle of that arc. And we're doing one last one over here, which is radius 70. Now, I'm not going to do that heavy all the way up yet because there's kind of a rectangular shape going up here. It's going up at 45 degrees. Now this rectangular shape that's going to be going up here, it starts by bringing a line out here at 45 degrees, okay? And we have to go 15 millimeters either side of that because it's 30 in width. And the length, we do not know. It's going to go on up here to hit this, okay? So I might just go a wee bit off the page. Now I'll bring up this guy heavy. Now also I still can't do in this guy heavy for a moment. Now, it might be alright, I'll just fit it on the page actually. Now where this center one is coming up here, we have a radius 15 circle to draw there. So set our compass to 15. Put our compass down there. And that's that circle there. Now I know where I can finish out my heavier circles too. So reset to 50. Okay. And the other guy we're going to do now is we're going to stretch out to 17, finish out this guy. Okay. Now that's it, almost finished. Now I need to do this guy a bit heavier still, but the only kind of thing I'm missing is a tangent down here. There's a tangent starting there going up the circle. Now where does that tangent start? Well, if you look at this point here, I call it K. It's actually in line with that point K there. So we'll drop it down. That gives T. So from T to there, to the tangent going onto that circle. Now they're testing your basic method here. Do you know how to put a tangent onto a circle? So what you must do, of course, is you must go then and you must draw a line from the point to the center of the circle, and we must bisect this line. And then after that, you're going to see now, we're going to put in a line there, and a line here, and where the bisector is on this line now, we're going to draw a semicircle. Okay, so put your compass down there, and we're going to draw in that semicircle there. And now this finds our point of contact here, up here. So we can now go and do a heavy line in from the T up to that point of contact. And then I can put down my compass here and I can draw in this heavy line here. Okay. And that's your question finished, folks. So circles in contact there, I suppose we could just do in this, doing your heavier lines a bit heavier, of course. Distinguish clearly between the construction and the construction lines and the finish lines. But that's your question fully done there, folks. Hope you found that useful. More videos to come, folks. Take care. We'll talk to you soon.